Yes, $10 as always. We start from $10. Yeah, I will perhaps in the future I will try to make videos starting from $1. Yeah, I made some videos where I started from $1, and perhaps I don't remember. Perhaps I reached $1,000. And that day there was a great signal and perfect with the different assets. So I took advantage from that signals, and I made $1,000 starting from $1. Yeah, I remember it. So as usual, in this session we are trading binary option using binary digital strategy. As usual, if you've been a follower to this channel, you know exactly where you can learn. Yeah, so you know exactly where you can learn the strategy, the binary digital strategy. You can learn it from the course in the description below. You find the link to our official website, binary.com, and you can learn the strategy there. And I hope that all the binary option traders will learn this strategy, take advantage from their trades, and please be careful. Don't use your real money. As usual, my only advice to you guys: don't risk your real money. Just on demo account, practice and practice and practice. Once you master a good strategy where you can trust the strategy, where you can't learn any where you can learn or trust the strategy, you can just be careful and then start using your real money. It would be great for you to learn a good strategy where you can predict the movement of every candle. With the binary digital strategy, you will not be able immediately to predict the movement of every candle, but you will be able to make wins from the you will be able to make wins from your trades. At the same time, you will avoid losing or taking losing decisions. It will be easy for you to predict the wrong decisions and avoid it. So this is how you can use the binary digital strategy. Yeah, so you can learn the strategy, the binary digital strategy, from our course in the description below, or you can just you can learn other strategies. There's plenty of strategies out there. Even there's free contents, but I don't advise you to use or learn from free contents because yeah, euro or Australian dollar USD, as always, I don't like it, but sometimes I find yeah, I find good signals in this asset too. So yeah, as I was saying, try to learn a good strategy, spend time training, practicing, looking for a good strategy. You can even develop your own strategy, but it will be hard for you. You need experience to develop your own strategy. This is why I advise you to use our strategy, the binary digital strategy, or you can use a good strategy from the internet or anywhere else. Practice and practice on demo account using that strategy or using the binary digital strategy. And yeah, hopefully with time you will be able to trust the strategy and make free profit and start a career in trading. Yeah, this one is a win. If I used emotions, I would probably sell and lose everything. So yeah, $72. That's great. Yeah, okay. Let's put everything and hope that this one. Yeah, I guess the signal still going. This one is going up 100%, and I wish that the network will not stop right now. Network is crazy slow. Yes, I win. So simply, you can just go like this, try to win every candle, look for good signals on other assets like this one, British pound USD. Yeah, and I hope that we'll reach $1,000 just for you guys. By the way, this is my client's account. This is not my account. You know that you can't use your real account or share your real account on social media, on YouTube. IQ option will ban your account if you sharing it with the public and showing your balance. If you have high balance, you know what exactly I'm saying. You can't share your balance if you have a high balance. And yeah. So I decided to take or use or trade for my clients and share their videos with you guys. Yup, $374. Yeah, I guess I will stop the vocals right now, but I will keep trading and recording the video until we reach $1,000 perhaps, and after that I will try to yeah, upload the video for you guys. So I'll stop only the vocals. I'll keep trading.